Hello everyone, this is Sean, your roof guy. Out here in Volusia County in Deltona looking at a roof for an insurance claim. Something I want to point out real quick, just take a second. This roof is a double layer of shingles, and the important thing about that is knowing it's a double layer before the adjuster gets here so you can point that out to him, and also knowing what the double layer means. We can easily see there's 2 layers of shingles there. That's important to know for a couple of reasons. One is also you want the adjuster to know that so they can add it to the scope of repair. There's an expense involved with that. You don't want to be caught at the end and the crew tearing off the shingles and not realizing that there's 2 layers there. But the big thing is, in the state of Florida, there are no repairs allowed on a double layer of shingles. So if you have one bad shingle up there, that roof is going to constitute replacement. Something you need to know going in, that Volusia County, most counties in Florida, will allow a layover one time, but when it comes to doing a repair on it, it's not allowed. So use that to your advantage. Know when you go up there, this is a double layer of shingles. There's an extra expense involved, and also there's not a repair available on this roof. If it's got a couple of bad shingles, a little hail damage, maybe some crease shingles, it's going to be a full roof replacement. You guys have a great day. I'm Sean Bennett with XLR8 Roofing. Be kind to each other.